If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at Milk Makeup. Specifically, Milk Makeup has a brand new pore diffusing matte primer. If you didn't know, one of the makeup primers that actually exploded on the scene was the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, which was a very hydrating primer that helped your makeup stay in place but also did not dry out your skin. And even somebody like me who has oily skin was able to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now, although it didn't control my oils, it still helped my makeup stay in place for a very, very long time. But today we're going to be taking a look at their brand new Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. Like, when I opened this box, I screamed. So let's go ahead and jump into the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. Okay, so this primer claims to hold your makeup, blur your pores, and mattify shine. It says that it's 90% natural, clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Milk primers make makeup better. Period. You've already met their best-selling Hydro Grip Primer. It's the #1 selling primer at Sephora, which is true. It's a very, very nice primer. And now they're introducing their Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. Each primer is designed to be the first step to your makeup routine for smooth, natural-looking skin and makeup that stays locked on all day. Whether you prefer a dewy finish or a matte finish, they've got you. So now we're not forced to only use the Hydro Grip Primer, especially if you have oily skin like me and you just find the Hydro Grip Primer to be a little too hydrating for you. You have the choice to use a mattifying pore filling primer. It says the Pore Eclipse is lightweight with 90% natural water cream primer that locks on makeup, blurs your pores, mattifies your shine. It has niacinamide and bakuchiol to help minimize the appearance of pores over time, while the lentil extract helps control shine. Best for normal, combination, and oily skin. It retails for $36 for 40 ml. It's available at Sephora right now and also on the Milk Makeup website. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Does not look like the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer at all. So this comes in more like a tube kind of situation, and you have to squeeze it out. I'm gonna apply. Oh, it's thick. It's like a cream kind of consistency. Interesting. I'm gonna apply some to half of my face so that we can see what it looks like. I like to use primer. Oh, it has a smell to it. It's not fragrance free. I'm gonna apply some to half of my face at first so we can see how matte it gets our skin compared to the other side of my face. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I got rid of the shine that I have towards the inner part of my face, as you can see, but it really doesn't look much like anything. If I'm being honest, it really doesn't look much like anything. It doesn't give me that kind of matte look that I get from the Patrick Star Secure the Blur primer. I'm not getting that kind of a look from this, but it definitely feels smooth. It's still weightless, but compared to the left side of my face, it's giving like a mattifying moisturizer kind of feel to me. This is the side without. This is the side with. Definitely matte, but it's not taking away all the shine from my face. Like, it's not given casket ready. So this is it. This is what it's looking like. Let me know if you see a difference. I don't know. I expected it to be like suck the life out of my face kind of matte. Not that I want that kind of matte. I don't want that kind of matte, but that was what I was expecting. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and apply to the other side of my face because we are going to be doing a wear test. I want to make sure that my skin is covered, and I'm not gonna put any other kind of primer over it because I want to see what it can do. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. This is the shade 870N. I really like this foundation. I feel like it would pair very nicely with the primer. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors concealer. This is the shade number 28. Then I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is Rich Neutral. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Benign Nutmeg. Compared to the Jaclyn powder that I want to start using, this is the brighter one. Okay, I'm gonna take the One Size Made for Shade Deep Trio. I'm taking this one as a bronzer kind of product, and I'm just gonna apply some to my contour areas. Okay, I'm taking the Cheek Clapper. We're gonna go into the powder shade and apply some blush. So before I go any further, the time is now 1:20 when I finish my base. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we'll come back to see what it looks like, and then we'll do the wear test. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look, trying out the Milk Makeup Poreless, what is it called? Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. I finished my base at 120. I haven't touched my face whatsoever with any blotting, anything. The time is now 4:01. So right now it's about 2 hours and change since I did my base. I'm gonna leave it like that. Well, I'm gonna peel the rhinestones off. So this is the skin. This is what the skin is looking like. Just try to ignore the spots on my face. Okay, that's not what we're here for, okay? Looking closely at my skin is definitely poreless, especially right here and right here. 0 pores, and it looks really, really good. Initially when I put it on, I thought, oh, it's not as matte as I thought it was gonna look, but that was good because then I didn't look casket ready and my skin looked really, really flawless. It still looks natural, and my natural oils were kind of like shining through kind of, so that was not bad. I'm gonna see what it's gonna look like in a few hours, and I'll come back so that we can see what it do. So the time is now 2:02 a.m. I literally just came back from the emergency room with Atlas and Twin A because he spiked a fever earlier during the day, and it's been crazy. But this is what my skin looks like. I literally could not make it to my studio to record the end because I was tired, but I was in a stressed environment, and this had nothing to do with texture. It talked about controlling your oils and filling in your pores, but for over 12 hours of wear, my skin looks really, really good. I feel like if I were to blot my face, my skin would go back to looking perfect. Corners of my nose does not look bad, and mind you, I did not blot my face whatsoever. And even on my nose, you can see that the makeup on my nose has not moved, has not rubbed off, so that is really, really good. I would maybe not wear it for over 12 hours, and if you're gonna wear it for over 12 hours, I would definitely be blotting my face throughout the day. But overall, it's not bad. I did not expect it to control all my oils. That is not what I expected, but it looks really, really good for what it gave. Okay, another thing to note is that there are no makeup cracks on my face. Like, my smile lines have not smudged, my under eyes are not smudged, even the parts of my face where I peeled the makeup off is not looking bad. Like, I literally have no cracks or creases on my face, and I literally just came from the emergency room. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Let me know if you're going to be picking up the Milk Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. I have to stop saying Hydro Grip Primer. I love you lots, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.